My beautiful friends, how are you doing? The Blum Airdrop checker is live. Once you log into the app, you should see it somewhere here. If you do not see it, just slide this. All right, keep sliding it till you see, until you see this right here. Am I eligible? Once you see it, click on it, and it's gonna show you all of these things here. These are the criteria for qualifying for the airdrop. The first is 100k Blum points. The next is 750 MP points or proof of activity, and the next is you must have referred at least 2 people, and another one, or the last one, is you must have passed civil check. So let's click on check. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see I got 3 out of 4. All right, so what you need to do is, once you click on that, if you're not qualified or eligible yet, you can see here it says do more to qualify. There is still time. So if you're like me, all you need to do is to figure out what exactly is the problem and fix it. Okay, for most people it's going to be this one right here, 750 MP points. So if that's your issue, all you need to do is to click on do more to qualify, then go to the on page, that right there, go there, and it's gonna bring you here. Just go to this right here, on chain. If you go to on chain, it's going to show you the following. Okay, so look at this: trade any token in Blumbot and earn 3000 MP points. Remember, 750 is required, so if you trade any token here, you're gonna earn 3000 MP points. All right, so that's all you just need to do. Just click on the start button, follow the on-screen instructions, and complete the trading. All right, so clicking on that brings me to the Blum trading bot. All right, all I need to do is to use this bot to trade any token. So to get started, click on the menu and it's gonna show you this, start trading here. Just click on it, and it's gonna show you the following. The next will be to first fund your wallet, so click on that. It's going to show you a number of wallets. You have Solana, Ton, BNB. All right, so which wallet do you want to fund? All right, so select the wallet you want to fund. Let's say you want to fund your Ton wallet, just click on it. It's going to show you your wallet address. Okay, so this right here is my wallet address. All I need to do is to, you can see I've got a Ton balance of 0. So all I need to do is to copy this address and send some Ton into it. Do you understand? So let's say you've got some Ton elsewhere, maybe on your Binance or Bybit or Mexi or whatever. Okay, wherever. Okay, send some Ton into this. I'm pretty sure you should know how to do that. After that, go back to the menu again, click on the start again, and you can see token list. You can just click on that, and it's going to show you this right here. Okay, so just click on, say, Ton Hot. Okay, so it's going to show you the tokens on Ton, all right, that you can buy right now. Okay, so let's say you want to buy your, say, this one right here. All you just need to do is to click on the buy button. Can you see that buy button right there? And it's going to show you all of these things right here. All you need to do next is to pay attention to the details, and after all of that, you can just simply click on the buy button. Can you see the buy button right here? And of course, you can see the required slippage, 25%. All right, so all you need to do is to click on the buy button. Okay, I can't do that now because I've not funded my account. All right, I'm going to fund my account and do it. If you would like to if you would like me to dive deeper into this process, just let me know. Okay, so this is for this video. This is PixelB. This is guy Ken signing off for now. Don't forget to join my TG group. All right, that's where we share a lot of information. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell if you want to learn trading, futures trading. I've got videos on this channel that's going to teach you futures trading, free courses, and I'm going to be doing more, all right, okay, about teaching you guys how to trade futures. Okay, so signing off for now.